Well, hi there, everybody. Yes, it's a cold, cold day. I love my little shirt. And I put this on there with a stencil. And I love my little sweater. I'm here today. Um, I don't know if I told you who I am. I'm Jacqueline with Nickel and Dime Decor, and I'm here today to talk about panels. And you see them on Facebook, YouTube, everywhere, and basically they build on them with borders, and that's just about all you can do with a panel, honestly. Well, when I first started quilting and I didn't know what the heck I was doing, I my friend that gives me so much fabric gave me this beautiful piece of, I call it a panel, but look how big it is. It's about I'm 5 foot, which is 60 inches. I'm gonna say this is probably 50 by 50. But all I did was add the green border and the binding and put on the tabs so I could hang it. Well, but to me, the joy of this and making it so special, because you're going to see in just a second, it's hand quilted. And it was plain Jane, nothing special, and I made it special, I thought. And I've enjoyed this whole thing just year after year. And now I'm going to show you up close what I mean. Don't tell me you can't hand quilt. I call this outlining. And you can take a needle and thread and outline something, can't you? Look at my hearts. That's all I did. Uniform stitches, hand quilting all around the snowflakes, all the way across. Now let's look at some of the individual guys. Look at this guy. By doing that outline and that hand quilting, I brought the little guy to life. Look at his little cheeks and his hat, his scarf, and those buttons, and the little tree. Now, on the snowflakes, I just did a stitch or two on each side. I did each and every one of them too, each and every one. This took me a while to do this, but I enjoyed it so much because each one of them was different. And just to see them come to life. And see, I outlined the whole snowman. You can see on the edges that he's outlined. Okay, let's look at this guy. Look at his hat and his nose and his pipe. And if I hadn't done that, there just wouldn't be much to brag about. It's cute, but that did the finishing touches. Now you see on the sashings, and my thread is always a neutral, and it stands out real good. Let's look at a few more of them just to show you. Look at their hats and their scarves and their gloves, boots, the whole works. The broom, it just adds so much. I have a video on showing you can do this with an embroidery hoop, a small, about a 10-inch size, maybe 8. Embroidery hoop, number 10 between needle, and number 30 quilting thread. That's all you need. Sit there, watch TV, and work on something like this. It will just so surprise you Now this little guy, let's find one that I really like. I like him. I'm sorry, y'all are getting seasick. Oh, I already showed you him, didn't I? Yes, I did. Sorry. Let's do the one in the middle, the big one. His vest and her scarf and her hat and the tree and the bow tie. Now, I didn't, on this one, I didn't do anything to the white snowflakes on top. I really didn't. I didn't think they needed anything, so I didn't do that. But anyway, think about it the next time that you have a panel. And it's, you know, it's okay and it's cute, but if you'll hand quilt it and outline it, you will just embellish it. You'll love it. I guarantee you, you'll love it. And put as many borders on it as you want. Make it into whatever you want. My binding fabric has snowflakes on it. I thought that was fitting for this. All right, that's it. I so hope you enjoyed looking at my Christmas wall hanging. Thank you so much, and God bless.